Hey, it's Gina from WTI. I've been making dirty martinis for over 20 years using the same methods that my mom did, which is pouring olive juice from the jar into a martini. I thought it tasted pretty good until I got this Filthy Martini cocktail kit from Filthy Foods. I had no idea that a martini could taste so much better using olive brine than just using the juice from the jar. When I order a martini at a restaurant, I always ask the bartender to make it extra dirty. But when I tried this olive brine that came with the kit, I couldn't believe how amazing it made the martini taste, and I didn't have to add in any extra. What I love about this so much is it's one of the best martinis that I've ever had, and I can make it at home, which is so cool. This kit is the real deal. These are gourmet martini makings. You can see the detail that they put into every single ingredient. In fact, the olives that are stuffed with pimento or blue cheese are naturally cured and they come individually packaged. Even the cocktail picks that they sent are well made and they're sharp, so I can get them through the olive really easily. I couldn't be more pleased with this Filthy Martini mix. It's going to become a staple in my personal bar at home. I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.